everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to walk through an important maintenance feature of the HTVRONT D2 DTF printer, the sleep mode function, and its controller settings. Understanding how this system works will help you prevent print head clogs and extend the lifespan of your machine. Let's get started. Before adjusting the controller, there's one important step. You must first enable the Auto Clean in Sleep Mode function in the Idea Studio app. On your computer, open the Idea Studio. Go to the Device Settings and click Maintenance. Make sure the Sleep Mode printhead cleaning is turned on. The controller settings will only work after this switch is enabled. Otherwise, printhead Auto Clean will not run, even if the controller is set. So always remember, enable the software function first, then adjust the control panel. Now let's talk about how sleep mode works. When the power button light turns off, the machine enters sleep mode. At this point, the two control panels on the side will light up. In this state, without connecting to a computer, the machine will automatically run the following two functions: white ink circulation, printhead cleaning. This helps prevent ink tube blockages, white ink sediment buildup, printhead clogs. Using sleep mode correctly will significantly extend the lifespan of your HTVRONT D2 DTF printer and maintain stable print quality. Now, let's look at the control panel display. Taking the white ink circulation panel as an example, there are two types of number on the screen. Green digits represent the running time, PV. Red digits represent the interval time, SV. When the white ink circulation is running, the green numbers start counting down, and the on indicator light turns on. After the countdown ends, the on light turns off, and the red numbers interval time start counting down. After countdown ends, the next white ink circulation cycle will start. The Auto Clean panel works in the same way. The default system settings are: white ink circulation runs once every hour, each cycle lasts 20 seconds. Auto cleaning runs once every 12 hours, each cycle lasts 2 minutes. If there is no special need, you do not need to adjust these settings. We strongly recommend using the default settings. However, in the following situations, you can adjust the parameters. 1. The default settings were changed accidentally. 2. You want to increase the frequency to prevent clogging. 3. You want to reduce the frequency. Using the white ink circulation panel as an example, the auto cleaning panel works the same way. First, set a time unit. Press and hold the set button for 6 seconds to enter the time unit setting interface. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the time unit. Short press the set button to switch the code. Green codes: P0 controls the running time, and P1 controls the interval time. For the red values, 0 means seconds, 1 means minutes, and 2 means hours. By default, for white ink circulation, the running time is set in seconds and the interval time is set in minutes. For auto cleaning, the running time is set in minutes and the interval time is set in hours. P2, P3, P4, and P5 are factory default settings and do not need adjustment. Now, using white ink circulation as an example, we will demonstrate how to adjust the running time and interval time. Double press the set button to enter the running time setting. When the number is flashing, use the arrow buttons to adjust the value. After setting, press the set button once. Enter the interval time setting interface. When the number is flashing, use the arrow buttons to adjust the value. The auto cleaning setting method is the same. To start or pause the controller, double-click the Start or Pause button. When paused, the controller time will stop counting. When resumed, it will continue operating based on your preset parameters. And that's how you properly set up sleep mode on your HTVRONT D2 DTF printer. Always remember, enable the function in low-click Idea Studio first. Then, adjust your controller settings. Proper maintenance configuration ensures stable ink flow, protects your printhead, and keeps your machine running at its best. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next HTVRONT D2 DTF printer tutorial.